is reporting. So, healthy stuff is good for you. Candy is not, because it got sugar in it, but brownie is okay.
Yet you have candy all over your mouth. Explain that, news reporter. And have a little bite of some Nini while you're at it.
Yeah, that's how it's come. I am the news reporter.
Can you do a grace while you're there?
Yeah, just tell them, teach them grace.
Would
Teach
you
them
do
the
a
proper way
grace?
to say grace.
Thank you for all the food and all the things that we need. And hippopotamus, and cats, and dogs, and people who live